Welcome back to our channel, Just a Little Food. Today I'm making my favorite cheat meal, a Triple Decker Hamburger. Now let's get started. So this burger consists of beef patties, cheddar cheese, onion, bacon, and you can't forget the bread bun. Sorry to all the vegetarians, but there's no salad in this burger. But we do have onions, and I'm going to start with browning them off. Okay, so the onions are ready. I'm just going to put them to the side. Okay, I'm going to start cooking the beef patty. I have here 80% beef and 20% fat for a juicier burger. Okay, so while this is cooking, I'm going to fry off the bacon on the other stove. Okay, now I'm going to place the cheddar cheese on top of the beef patties. Hey Ray, can you toast this bun for me? Thank you. Okay, the patties are now ready, so I'm just going to take them off and then plate them up. Okay, now I'm going to plate up this bad boy. Okay, so we'll start off with the toasted bun. First off, the beef patty with melted cheese, bacon, another beef patty, some more bacon, last beef patty, look at all the juices. The last bacon. And we'll top it off with the caramelized onion. And now to complete the burger with the bread bun. I'm back now from devouring that burger. We hope you enjoyed the episode. It was quite delicious, and we'll hope to see you next time. Bye.